Hello friends, welcome to engineering classes. Today we will see how to install JMeter in Windows. First, check for the Java version whether it is installed in your PC or not. Then we will go and download the JMeter. To check for Java version, click on this search and open command prompt. For command prompt, you can simply search CMD. CMD is a short form. Type CMD and open it. Now here write Java hyphen version, all in small caps. Java hyphen version. Click enter. So as you can see, the Java version is already installed. If it is not installed in your PC, first install the Java version, then install the JMeter because JMeter required Java to work. Now since Java is already installed, I will simply go to the web and search here for JMeter. This is the official website of jmeter.apache. Apache is the parent company for JMeter. Go to download releases. This page will open. Scroll down. Here also you can see like it required Java. So first install Java, then download JMeter. Here we need to go to binaries and select this one. This is the latest one, Apache JMeter, some version number .zip. So we will download this .zip. .zip. Now click on this. As you can see, download had started. Now what we want to do is once it is completed, we will extract this in our C drive of our PC. Let's wait for it to get downloaded, then we will install. Meter is downloaded. As you can see, this is our extracted version. Now I pasted the JMeter in my Windows CE. To open the JMeter, go to this folder, bin. Go to bin and scroll down and check for this window batch file. Which one? Window batch file. It will open this JMeter. First it will open some CMD. As you can see, JMeter is open now. Thank you.